Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is a very important day for all of the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF shareholders, aka SCHD. They just announced their distribution amount for Q4 or December. Let's look at the numbers here. So, the ex-dividend date will be tomorrow. The payment date will be December 16th or Monday. And they will be paying 26 cents, 26.45 post split. So you can see this previous September announcement amount was much higher, but that is because of the split. Sorry, I zoomed out here. Let me scroll back up. Okay, yeah. So 26 cents. If we multiply that by 3, because that was the most recent distribution, most recent stock split amount, 26.45 times 3. So really it's like 79 cents pre-split. So if we can look at the annual income for SCHD, it's going to look pretty nice. So 61 cents back in March, 82 cents in June, 75 cents in September, and then what did we just say this one was? We'll throw another one up here. 0.2645 times 3, 79.35 plus 79.35. Okay, so that gives us our total income in dividends from SCHD for 2024, $2.98. And then if we quickly calculate how that compares to 2023, 0.7423 plus 6545 plus 6647 plus 5965. Okay, so you can see there is the difference. And then if we bring up a third calculator, we'll be able to see the annual dividend growth. So $2.98, some change there, divided by 2.658 gives us a 12.2 dividend increase over 1 year. So pretty massive. I don't know about you, but I would definitely take a 12% increase on my income year after year. So yeah, so that is that. Big announcement. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. There's been a lot of chatter on X. If we pull this over here, we can see a lot of people are pretty happy about this. You know, SCHD Stan. He's a big advocate for SCHD. Obviously, his ad name is SCHD. But yeah, 12.2% annual dividend growth rate for 2023 versus 2024. So pretty massive there. Let's see what else people are talking about. This is up 24 cents last year around this time. Yep, awesome. So this dividend growth continues. You know, absolutely. SCHD is definitely a solid dividend growth ETF. So this is a good one. So he's owned it for 6 years. Its dividend growth has grown by 86%. His first payment on July 2nd was $4 from 10 shares. Fast forward today, he has 1,562 shares, and he will be getting, okay, so this is actually Q3, but he got $1,100, $1,178 in Q3. So that's massive. I mean, look at the growth. That just kind of shows you, if you continually can save and invest your money, the market will reward you over the long term. Yeah, going from $4 to $1,100 in the span of roughly 6 years, it's pretty massive, and that's some solid motivation for sure. Quarterly dividend payments looks like it's just increasing year after year. Yeah. So this is awesome. Good news for Schwab, and all their shareholders out there. I think everyone will be pretty happy with this announcement. And just to top off a great year for Schwab as far as the distribution goes. So let's go ahead and look at what it's done from a price return perspective. Pull this up over here. Okay, so if we look at the year-to-date data, 12.21% from a price return. And then our favorite website, totalrealreturns.com. Looking at the total real returns before inflation, we're looking at a 16% return. So underperforming the market a little bit. Let's look at SPY and see how SPY compares. But once again, it's a dividend play, right? You're investing in SCHD for the growth and for that solid yield there. Let's actually see what SCHD's yield is after its most recent distribution. Yeah, so we're looking at 3.58%. Is that what that was? Roughly. Let's see if we can find it this way. Yeah, so roughly 3.59%. Distribution yield 3.45%. Yeah. So that's that. Pretty exciting news though. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. And for all the shareholders that own SCHD before this ex-dividend date, you will expect to receive this distribution amount of 26 cents there. So once again, this is after the 3x split that happened a couple months ago. SCHD is now trading for just $28.79 there. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Definitely do your own research. Make sure this is a good investment for you based upon your time horizon, your risk tolerance, and so forth. Definitely not a financial advisor here. So you're going to have to kind of assess that for yourself and do your own research. But yeah, guys, once again, this is the dividend distribution announcement for SCHD regarding their Q4 distribution payment.